Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. So I got this new scanner that I wanted to try out. This is called Avenger, and it's supposed to be able to be utilized with your laptop, your phone. It's supposed to Bluetooth connect and all those fun functions. I have bought a multitude of scanners. I've got ones with super short cords that only plug into the computer, and I've got ones that I've dropped a few times and suddenly discontinue working. And so I'm wondering, is this one going to be the next level? So I'm going to check out this scanner, see if it's worth it, and hopefully be able to offer this to you guys. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. So we're just going to open it up and see what it even looks like, and then we're going to do some testing of it and see how quickly it works and how quickly we can get it set up and all of that. So this is what it looks like. Wrapped in bubble wrap. Looks like it's in this little box. Avenger, designed in Australia, barcode scanner. So that's what we've got. So let's see if I can get this open. I've never looked at it yet. So, okay. Register to get extra 6 months warranty. So you can register and basically, I know they're a small business when I kind of looked it up online. Oh, so here's the quick codes in a nice little format so that we can get it to do what we want it to do. That's handy to have little cards like this, because usually it's a book that gets misplaced somewhere. And then we have a quick start, whole quick start guide on how to set it up. But let's look at it. All right. It looks fancy. Look at that. So there's that part. It looks like it has the typical plugin that I'm used to seeing with the scanners, which is basically, it's like the printer cable that you guys use, the USB printer cable. So I can plug it in to charge it and to put it into my computer. Looks like it's got a spot to hide your dongle here. Because I know every time I unplug my dongle, I'm always worried about misplacing it because it's so small. This is the dongle. This is what plugs into your laptop or computer so that it gets reception. But it's nice to have a little place right here for it so that I don't lose it or misplace it. So it looks like this is kind of like a charging base. Looks like it just sits right on there and charges. So you would plug, looks like this in. Get this all undone. Really well packaged. Look at the packaging. So it's not going to jostle around. Let me see if there's anything underneath. Nope, that was it. All right. So this plugs in here to charge it, and then you simply just plug this part into the wall. So I'm going to go do that, get it charged up, and then see if we can get this bad boy to work. All right? So I just plugged it in to right here. Just a little power strip with a USB port. Now you can plug it into your computer, but I wanted to just use the power strip to start with. And this little light came on to show that it's charging. So see that there? And so we're going to let it charge and see what we can accomplish with it. Okay, so I've been reading the book, and it said that basically all I have to do to connect it to my computer is just simply plug in the USB dongle into my laptop. So let's see if I can do that and how easy it is to make it work. Okay, so I'm sitting in front of my computer, as you can see, and then I've got the scanner right here. So let's go ahead and just pull this dongle out. Just this little guy here. Says dongle on it. And then this is my old scanner, as you can see, has a really short cord. So I can't really go anywhere with it. It's one I only use sitting at the computer, and I have another one that I use to go wirelessly, but it only does a couple of scans. So we're going to go ahead and plug this dongle in. and see if we can't get it to just automatically start. All right, so I'm going to put it right here, and I happen to have a few things that I need to get scanned. Let me grab those. So I'm actually in the process of working on an order. I'm going to send some of these in. So let's see if we can, it's plugged in right now. I don't know if it's got enough of a charge to do its thing. Yep. So I literally have only had this on for just a couple seconds on the charger, and it already works. And so I'm super excited. So setting it up for your laptop and computer is going to be super easy. You just simply plug in the dongle, and then it automatically connects. No setting up or anything necessary. You just have to have a charge on the device. And so let's see if we can Bluetooth it, because that's the thing that I really want to know if it does. Okay, so we're a little bit different setup. I'm using my desktop webcam to record this because I want to pair it to the phone I always use to record. So here is the scanner. I still have it plugged in, but I believe it has enough charge to be able to do a Bluetooth. So this is the Avenger, like I said, and I love this little base. It's so stable. A lot of the other scanners I've gotten, like, look at this. This is the base for my other scanner, and it's a little bit flimsy because it wants to come off all the time. And then some of the other stands that I bought before don't fit the thing correctly. So it's nice that this scanner actually comes with its own base. Usually I have to buy the stand separately, and that's kind of annoying. And it's all contained with the charging cord and everything, which I love. So you can actually buy longer cords of this, but why, if it holds a charge, do you need a longer cord? So we're going to go ahead and see if we can figure out how to do Bluetooth mode. So I've got this little book, How to Connect Scanner via Bluetooth Mode, phone, tablet, or other Bluetooth devices. And it looks like all you do is scan the barcode for Bluetooth mode and then pairing it. So currently right now it's set up for the dongle mode, which it's set up on my laptop right now. And you saw me be able to scan this Lip Smackers item, and it worked great. So like if I take it off right now, it's in dongle mode. It's blue because it's working. Kind of looks green on that, but it is blue. And I just scan it, and you see it. Hold on, I don't have the little cursor here. Hold on. We're going to pop it up right here in this box, okay? So I'm going to scan it. See? And it pops right up. And so we've got enough charge to start using it right away. And it's got little charging ports on the bottom. You can also plug in that cord that's plugged into the base into the bottom of this. So for whatever reason, if you've been using it for hours and hours and hours and hours and hours, and my guess, that'd be a long time before it really died, then you could plug it directly into the scanner, walk around the room with a longer cord, and use it as well. But I think this is going to hold a charge really well. All right, so let's go ahead and just go back to the add a product thing here on my screen, and then I'm going to see if we compare it to my phone, because that's the biggie. I really want to see if it works with my phone. So I'm going to scan the Bluetooth mode. Let's see if we can get this to work. This is first time I'm doing it, so we'll see if it works. Okay, so it says I scan the Bluetooth mode, and then I want to get my phone, and you simply just turn your Bluetooth on your phone, and then I'm going to start scanning. So I'm going to do pair. Now I'm going to do the pair with Bluetooth. There it goes, pair with Bluetooth, and see if we can't get it to pair. Okay, so this is blinking now. See how it's blinking a little bit? I don't know if you can see real well, but it is blinking. And then I'm going to scan on my phone and see if it'll show up. So let's see if we can find, it's supposed to be Scan Avenger HID. So it says Scan Avenger HID right there, available devices. So I'm just going to click that. And it says pairing. And I'm going to watch. Pair with Scan Avenger HID. Okay. And it beeped at me. And so let's see. Can I go to, I'm going to hit done. Now this is the biggie. This would be the most amazing thing in the world. All right. So I'm going to go to my Amazon seller app that I love. And I'm going to go basically on the box that I always have to type in barcodes when you're at the store and things like that. That's super frustrating to have to do that. And so I'm going to actually go to that screen and instead of having to type in the whole barcode number for this Lip Smackers gum, which is like, I don't know, what is it, 5, 10, 12 numbers I have to type in, and that gets really time consuming. Even sitting at home, like I've gotten barcodes that I can't, you know, like they don't scan well, and I feel like this is going to see it a lot better. So, all right, so I'm opening up my Amazon seller app. Go to add a product, then I have my search bar, search Amazon to sell, and that's where I would have to type the numbers. So instead, I'm going to do this. So see, now I've got a little blinking cursor. Ooh, I really hope this works. Okay, ready, set, let's scan it. Oh my word, look! It popped it up. I'm so excited. So now I literally have a scanner that I can use with any mobile device, your tablet, your iPhone, your Android, anything. And so this is the best thing ever. So I'm super excited. I love how handy it is. You could even probably put a real good charge on this, stick it in your purse, and then take it with you to the store to scan. People at the store might look at you funny, but I'm really, really excited about the possibility of being able to scan it into your phone. Because many of you who sell on Amazon know that it's really difficult sometimes to find all of the fees using the desktop app. So the phone app is where I like to look at my fees because it's a lot quicker. Because as you can see on the phone app, like I'm going to click, see this picture here, I'm going to click the Lip Smacker Balm, and then I can go straight to all of the fees. See if I can do this right away. And there's all my fees right there. And so it's a lot faster to find how much my fees are on the phone app than it is on the desktop app. So I'm super excited about that. And so we can use it for the desktop, or we can just switch it to Bluetooth. And all you have to do to go back to the dongle mode is you just pair it with the dongle again, and it has a little barcode that you can do that with, and you just scan that and it goes right back to the computer. Let's see, I'm curious, will it work with eBay? So I'm going to do the same thing on eBay. So let me find my eBay app. We're going to open my eBay app, and then I'm going to just go search for anything on there, and let's see if we can scan it and have it pop up on eBay. And it does. It pops up all of the ones with that UPC code. So I'm super excited, as you can tell. So I love the Scan Avenger, and I'm actually going to make this available for you guys to buy on my store. And so it's a really, really awesome scanner. I highly recommend it. The other thing that I wanted to mention to you is it does have a lifetime guarantee. I'm also going to, I think, offer free shipping for this for United States customers. And then it is also available internationally. So we'll be able to sell it to you internationally as well. So this is called the Scan Avenger. And if you go to Hooked on Pickin right now, you'll be able to find it. I'm super duper excited about it. So this is my new favorite device. All you have to do is follow the link in the description, and you can actually purchase the Scan Avenger. It comes with a base and a charging cable, and look, it's got these two nifty cards. All you have to do is scan the little barcodes to get it to switch. And look at this one. This one has sound on, sound off. You can check the battery level. You can put it on, vibrate off. So if you're in the store and you don't want it to beep, you can do that as well. And so it also has all these other options: data clear, data upload, storage mode, and of course all of this for Bluetooth troubleshooting. So I love the Scan Avenger. I definitely am gonna, this is my new favorite toy. So we will make it available for all you resellers at Hooked on Pickin. So go ahead and purchase it there, and you'll be able to get just as awesome of a scanning tool as I have, and it even connects to your phone. So hopefully you guys will love this scanner as much as I know I'm going to. The Bluetooth option is absolutely amazing. And remember, they do 100% satisfaction guarantee. So if this breaks for any reason, and if you know me, I have broken a multitude of scanners. I've probably gone through about 6 or 7 scanners in my reseller life. And it'd be nice to just get this fully 100% sent back to them, and then they replace it if it breaks for any reason. So there is a 100% guarantee. free shipping inside the United States, so that's really cool. And so it's available right through the link on my store, and so go ahead and check that out, and you'll be able to buy this as well. It'll be under the reseller tools category in my store, and so go check it out there. If not, the direct link is down in the description below. So hopefully you'll have as much fun as I will using this scanner, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. If you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This was a really fun video, but most of the time I usually unbox things from liquidation. So check out a bunch of my other videos, which will be popping up around me. And if you are not on the notification bell, make sure you hit that. If you've never been to hookedonpickin.com, check it out. There are lots of fun things available for sale for you, and it is almost Christmas time. So go ahead and peruse the store and see what you want to buy, especially that scanner.